When are we no longer alone, but part of a community? When does a drop of water turn into rain? And a single bird into a swarm of thousands? How can a harmless plastic bottle suddenly turn into a threat? And when does the small number 1.5 become big enough to upset the entire balance?
As a company, we need to assume responsibility for the world of tomorrow. Everyone can do their share to contribute to sustainable economies, environmental protection, and a functioning society. We can make a difference with many small and big measures. We are reducing our consumption. We are employing renewable energies. Many of our sites are already equipped with photovoltaic systems. We keep sustainability in mind when traveling for business. Reducing CO2 emissions is our highest priority. We are developing sustainable packaging and creating a pilot production facility that eliminates waste from local plastic suppliers. That is something we also strive for in our internal goods transport. We employ reusable boxes instead of film and count on the durability of our products. Used machines are refurbished. In this way, we utilize existing resources and ensure that devices remain in use for longer. Innovation makes the difference. By 2025, selected devices will contain up to 50% recycled plastic. We consistently reduce and replace new plastics in our products. To manufacture our spray lances, for example, we use recycled material from repurposed airbags. Together, we can make a difference. Together with environmental organizations, we are taking part in beach cleans. At Kärcher, we stand for values, for community, for solidarity, for the social heroes. And we stand for the need to preserve these values for future generations. Whether through supporting SOS children's villages across the world or through conserving cultural monuments.
We can all do our part. Be the difference.